I don't think I need to introduce myself because but I don't think I need to introduce myself. But I'm not money, but today. Rakulu, I'd like to thank Investors Act. They've been here from Sunday. They've been here from Sunday. They've been here since Sunday. My cousin for coming through for me. But more especially, I'd like to thank Abbas Albani for putting this together for me. And I don't think I would have been duty at my age if it wasn't for them. Because number one, kuyiphatha kwabo futhi qhubana sebazalile ukuthi kukhona sebazalile ukuthi nasekhaya uyiphatha kanjani ukuthi nabo bakela kanjani ukuthi uyiphatha kanjani. So ngithanda ukubonga kakhulu bani ngiyabonga for everything, especially those people like so ngiyabonga kakhulu. Ngithanda ukubonga nabobhuti bami abanamahloni. Ngithanda ukubonga nakubo aunty, ngibonge nabangani bami abazile. I love you all.
Siyabonga. Bengisacela ukuthi we have champagne glasses and wine glasses on the table. Yes, kune siphuzo ngicela ukuthi sithele so that we can do a cheers. So kwabantu abadala so yenza i-cheers, kwama-2K so yenza i-twa. Okay. Ngicela nje ukuthi sigcwalise DJ just music until bakithi bacomplaina nge-percentage.